What up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally installing the right coilovers on the 2015 Honda Civic Si. Actually we're going back to the Hyper Street coilovers. If you guys don't know, Rev 9 coilovers that we're going back to. I have installed these on my first Honda back in the day, but now we're going to put it on the Si. I really love Rev 9 coilovers, very good quality coilovers on a good budget. So you're looking for these awesome Rev 9 coilovers installed on your 2015 Honda Civic Si or any Si out there. I'll put everything in the description below, but yes, we're installing these today, and let's get started and let's see what's in this box. So this is what's inside the box right here. I like how Rev 9 always package their stuff good. So I have my fronts and I have my rears and I have my adjusters right here, and I also have my rods that I'll be installing on the car too. So yeah, so this is everything. Before I install the Rev 9 coilovers, I always like to do a comparison between the two. So I'm not going to adjust anything at the moment. I'm going to install it as it is, but just look at the difference between a stock and a Rev 9 coilover. So just want to give a side-by-side comparison right quick before I do any installing. So yes, just see, look at the big difference. So cannot wait to install these. Big fan of Rev 9. They did great work on my last one, and hopefully do the same for this one. So let's get ready and let's install it. Out with the old. Alright, so now we're about to install the new rod that came with the Rev 9 kit. Let's install this, then let's put everything back together, and then we'll do the other side. The passenger side is on. Then we're about to move to the driver's side. Then we'll be done with the front. Then we're gonna move on to the rear. But yes, everything is in there. But I'm gonna come back and tighten the coilovers up. But yes, got everything done. So let's move over to the driver's side, get that done.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so I'm done with the driver's side, and also I'm done with the passenger side. So I'm gonna give you guys a little view of everything. It's very, very easy to install.
later.
I am finally done installing these Rev 9 coilovers on the Honda Civic SI. Now, we did run into some issues, but thank goodness we figured it out. Basically, on the driver's side, every time I kept driving just a few inches, my wheel would go back in like it was cambered. But the passenger side didn't do that. So what we figured out was that we had the bolts, the two bolts that hold, I really don't know I say the hub of the wheel together. The two bolts that hold the hub of the wheel together, we had them turned the opposite way, but once we put them the other way, it actually worked. And I was so happy and relieved that the stress was over with. The job was finally done. Now, I'm happy that I installed these Rev 9 coilovers because I have wheels that are on the way. I've been waiting for these wheels for like 3 months. Had them on back order, but they're on their way very soon. So what I'm trying to do with this car will look very good. But right now, as on stock wheels, it already looks good. But I'm gonna lower just a little bit in the front, but I'll let you guys look at it. So in the back right here, we're like, guys, we low. You know what I'm saying? I like it in the back, one finger only. That's why I like lowering this to the ground. Now up here on the front, I like this too, one finger. Probably can get a second finger in there, but one finger should be good. But far away, it looks crazy, sick. To the ground like I want it, slam. Not too slam, but it's low like I like. Once the wheels come in, guys, that's when the car really stand out. I also have some other things coming, but just on stock wheels as it is, it looks very nice. I like how the back looking, man. It just looks so sweet. Let me get like a close look. Oh man, I just love how low it is. And we got a little bit of camberness going on, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, but we got enough, you know what I'm saying? We got enough. If you can see, we got enough, but not too much. That's how I like it, just simple and plain. I'm not too big of a fan of too much camber, just like it enough for me to get around because I still use this car as a daily. But yes, this is the new look on the Civic. Been waiting a long time to even drive this car. Waited almost a year to do it, but it's finally done. It's finally done. So one project's done. Now we're on to the next. Came into an issue, but luckily we got it done. Give a shout out to my dad. Came in and always do the rescue and save me when I need him the most. But yeah, look crazy like I like it. Well yeah guys, this is where I'm gonna end today's video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button low, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out of any of my upcoming videos. And also comment if you have any issues or you ran into something that's weird or anything, because I'm always here to help out like I do on the other Rev 9 colors on the other Civic. But yes guys, this is end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. You know, you've been watching me for a very long time. You know this 70 channel legit is out.